everybody. So today we're gonna start tearing everything down for the lift kit. These are the tires, the rims. These are Badlands on the Panagoniums. So first thing is before you take your wheels off, you want to make sure when it's on the ground you're taking your lug nuts loose. You take this, get this sucker off real good. Yeah, same thing on the other side, and then that way you don't have to be trying to pry on this, on the truck wiggling up in the air. It's real scary. But you get that nut off, then you go with, you want to get the ball joint bottom carter pin and nut off, and then that one, and then this thing should all be able to come apart, and then take your brakes, and then we'll come on from there.
So you're gonna have to pull the torsion bar, uncrank it all the way down, pull the bolt out, and be able to pull the whole torsion bar out. Then you start working on getting the lower A-arm off, pull the bolt out, and then you're good. Just remember, you're not taking the top A-arm off. I would replace all the ball joints, and just once you get everything stripped down, then go to the table and start getting your lift kit all lined up, ready to put on.
So if you're gonna do this lift kit, make sure you got a Dremel tool. So this bolt goes into this lower bracket right here. Yeah, this lower bracket. This lower bracket has bushings, and it has these sleeves. You need to Dremel those sleeves out, and this bolt will go right in. Don't do what I did. I fought it for like a whole freaking day just trying to figure this crap out right here. And then when you go put these arms back in place, this bolt right here, take this out, and these A-arms will go in real good. See the nut right here? So it's not hard to get in. So this goes on last after you get your arms put back in. Make sure that you have a Dremel tool, or you're never gonna get this bolt in. It's freaking huge. So, but it's all in. And make sure your wheels are the right wheels, because these are not deep enough. Because I thought they were, but they're not. So, so the only way I could fix this is by getting some wheel spacers on it tomorrow. See, it's hitting. Wheels aren't deep enough, so. Oh, there it is. Okay, I skipped a lot, but I got the old axle out. New axle with the locker in. Swap out the e-brakes. Cables, because the other one came out of a single cab. Do shocks. A lot of work. Big mess I gotta clean. like. Recognize the back kind of sags down, so I might have to get some 1-inch shackles for that, because once we put some more weight in the back, you know, I'm just gonna dip down a little. So I just gotta keep my eye on the alignment, and then I got an appointment for the alignment shop. But what do you think, Camden? Think we did good? I think it looks nice. Yeah, like I said, it's squatting a little, about 1 inch in the back. But there she is, everybody. So once we get everything dialed in, we'll be able to go out and do some adventures. Everything's all brand new under here. So, but thanks for watching, everybody. This is a crazy video. Sorry I didn't get too detailed in the build. I mean, it got real complicated and there was a lot of cussing, and not sure how YouTube would react to how much cussing I was doing. And yeah. What a beautiful morning. Just out here chilling. These dogs, they love to run around. So, man, if you're building a Colorado and you have any questions, hit me up. More than welcome to answer your questions. You know, don't be afraid to get out there. And don't be afraid to trim either, because I had to cut all this. I had to put all this back. And torsion bars are at 2.5 inches, in case you're wondering. I've still got that leaky transmission under here. That's next. Look how wet that is, man. That's horrible. That sucks. Hopefully get that done. YouTube needs to start paying me some money, man. We've got a lot of bills to pay. Y'all need to like and subscribe, man. Help me out. We'll get this ball rolling. Get some big adventures going. Usually you see some big rattlesnakes around here. What do you think? Huh, Sonora? Yes, Sonora approves. It's supposed to be really warm today. So, I'll start working on some more videos so we come out on time. I'm trying to make a video every Friday and it just never seems to happen. I seem to fail miserably at this making films at the right time. So, just hang in there, guys, and I'll get back on track. And this build just got me. I mean, it really got me. Usually, you know, this is 6 hours. It was more like 2 weeks for me. Oh, there's a quail right there. You see him? There's a quail. Camden's becoming a bird dog now. You a bird dog? Oh, she's gonna get that stick out of there. It's like the sword in the stone. Can she do it, everybody? Can she get it out? Get that stick out of there. Get it out of there. Ah. Snowy's gonna have a go at it. She got it? Ah, I think she, oh, no, oh, she's digging in to get it. She's gotta get that dirt out of the way. Get that dirt out of the way. There he goes. Get it in there. Yeah. She's a very intelligent dog. I swear, I got a video for everything. Look at all that. They're building something up on top of that hill. I'm not sure if you guys see that up there. There's a excavator up there. Ugh, stupid fly. Yeah. Quiet out here. Oh, I hear a rooster. That means it's time for breakfast. All right, everybody. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We need to get those numbers up, y'all. And yeah, get those numbers.